Hello, YouTubers. How are you guys doing today? I pray everybody's doing well. Okay, you guys. So, I am receiving so many questions on my Where's My Refund forum YouTube video. You guys are wanting to know, what does tax topic 152 means? Tax topic 152 means that you have opted for direct deposit of your refund. That does not mean something is wrong with your refund. You have simply opted to have direct deposit. And they are honoring that by putting tax topic 152 at the bottom of your Where's My Refund status. Okay. I'm also getting questions about what does 151 and 152 means on your transcript. It means you're being reviewed. But here's the good thing. You will not be reviewed more than 4 weeks with this specific code. But with the code 420 and 424, that means that you're probably going to be in for a ride. Maybe 6 weeks to 6 months. And some people's audit has even gone on as far as 10 months to a year. It just all depends on the situation. But I just wanted to address the tax topic 152 that I have received a total of maybe 10 questions today asking what does it mean. You are fine. Don't worry. All is well. You will be receiving your refund as long as you have being processed. Even if you have still being processed, you may have to ID verify. So don't worry, you guys. Keep calm. Stay prayed up. Enjoy your day. And remember, God loves you. So do I. Bye-bye.